Today we will learn the concept of factors. Now write factors of 8. As you can see, we can divide 8 by 1. 1 times 8 is 8 and the remainder is 0. Then 2 times 4 is 8, remainder is 0. 4 times 2 is 8, remainder is 0. And 8 times 1 is 8 and remainder is 0. So 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of 8. This means that 8 is exactly divisible by or divided by 1, 2, 4 and 8, which are factors of 8. Write factors of 12. 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 3 is 12, 6 times 2 is 12 and 12 times 1 is 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. 12 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, that are the factors of 12.